Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths first chapter set language. Properties of set operations. First one is commutative property. A union B is equal to B union A, and second one A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Then associative property. First one is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Distributive property. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Next, let us see De Morgan's laws for set difference. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. And then De Morgan's laws for complementation. A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash, and then A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Let us see some example sums using Venn diagram based on these properties. Verify A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C using Venn diagram. First, let us prove, take the LHS, and you have to represent this representation by using Venn diagram. So, this is set A, B, C. Like that you have to write all the sets. This is A set, this is B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. First one you have to take A. This is A. And then next one is B union C. And then final result A intersection B union C. So first you have to share for A portion. This is A. So you have to share this portion, A portion. And B union C. Union means you have to combine together B set and C set. So B union C is this shaded region. And then A intersection B union C. For these two sets, what is the common term? Common term for these two sets means this portion. So you have to share this for A intersection B union C. And for RHS, right hand side, first you have to take A intersection B. And another one is A intersection C. And then here A intersection B union A intersection C. Now you have to share for A intersection B. This is A intersection B. And another one is A intersection C. So you have to share this A portion and C portion for common element, this portion. And you have to combine together means these two portions. So you have to share like this. So what is LHS? A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Let us see another example. Verify A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. First, we have to take the set A and B. Here A and B. This set also A, B. Put A, B. and here also you have to write A and B. So first one is A union B. First you represent in the Venn diagram A union B. So what is A union B? You have to combine together. So you share this A part and B part. So this is A union B the whole dash. That means you have to take out, don't take this A union B. The remaining part of A union B you have to share. So like this you have to share for A union B the whole dash. The remaining part of A union B is equal to A union B the whole dash. Next we have to take RHS. First one is A dash. You have to share the region of A dash. So except A, the remaining part you have to share for A dash. Don't take this A part. Without A, you have to share like this. This is A dash. And then this is for B dash. So except B, the remaining parts you have to share like this. This is B dash. And what is A dash intersection B dash? A dash intersection B dash. For these two diagrams, you have to take the common element, means this part and this part. Leave it this part and this part. So the remaining part you have to share like this. That is A dash intersection B dash. So LHS is equal to RHS. So A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Thank you students. Thank you for listening.